Happy holidays, divas! I have a gorgeous Diamond Art Club unboxing that it's not new. It is definitely a holiday piece, and I've been wanting it for a while. And when Black Friday came out, I thought, 30% off? Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting it. Notice it on the box. That shimmers. You have instructions on the back side of the box. You have a 10% off code for your next Diamond Art Club kit. And you'll see that it is square because of the blue square. If you notice how many squares that I get, yes, I love squares. So, before I show you the canvas, if you have never seen a Diamond Art Club kit before, welcome. I hope you will like and subscribe. I hope you will, since there are so many unboxings to come from many different places, I hope you like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you can be notified as to when a new one comes out. I just wanted to let you know that on this soft but firm canvas, you have pinked and poked edges so that it doesn't fray. Pinked means that little decal edge cut around the edge, and the poked is the like sewing machine needle that goes around there but doesn't have any thread in it. It's just all cut in. Ooh, big pack of drills, guys. Typical instruction sheet. I don't have everything out of here yet. There's the sticker. Diamond Art Club kit, if you haven't seen it before. Let me show you. This is a square kit, so it comes with the tweezers. The round kits do not. Blue pen, blue squishy to make the pen so your hands don't slide off of it while you're working on it. 2 plates of heart wax. A bunch of baggies for kitting up or kitting down. A clear tray. And a 4-placer. Now I have to tell you that the new kits are coming in. I've seen them come rolling in. They're not on these kits yet, but I've seen them on the Harry Potter kits, and that means they won't be too far behind. I don't know when you'll be seeing them in your kits, but we're finally starting to see them in ours. Let's see. The little sticker goes, for me, it goes on the end of the box. You can put it at the end of the box, you could put it on your arm, tattoo it on yourself or whatever, or you can put it in your notebook. Whatever you like to do with it, it's there for you. Okay, let me roll it back around the opposite direction, as you can do with cork glue. And it just helps it relax out of its shape. Ooh, I see a face in there. I see a youngin's face, huh? Youngin's face. All right. So, are you seeing trees? Are you seeing red hair on a girl's face? I hope so. Because this, my divas, this is Whimsical Winter. Since my birthday's in December, and I love foxes, and I love my red hair. It's not naturally red, but hey, only my hairdresser knows for sure. But I love the foxes, and just the way her green dress flows, and the green and red, the holiday, the holly. This is my birthday girl. This is my birthday girl. I used to get porcelain dolls every year, and angels every year for Christmas. And the porcelain dolls will be all December themed, I think, and pretty much. And they'd all have holly in their hair, and this just reminds me of that. Just reminds me of that. And there's a birch forest in the background, and there's even purples and browns and greens in the background over the snow. Snow has blues, purples in it. Oh my. And grays, and the foxes are orange and red and black and white. Beautiful, beautiful. A little pink in the ears. Nice. Okay, this kit, each Diamond Art Club canvas also has a bottom left and top right schematic that'll tell you all the different colors. It has 45 colors. It tells me that there are 2 ABs. The numbers below 150 for Diamond Art Club are the Aurora Borealis or AB drills. They have a special coating on them. I'll show you when we get there. And it has the DMC color codes, which if you save your leftover diamonds, it makes it easier to dekit, to unkit, to kit down, whatever way you want to see it. So, and they're always numbered in the sequence, so it's 1 and 2 are the 2 ABs for this. So I need to look for numbers 1 and numbers 2. In the kit, after I show you the rest of the tour around the canvas, the top it always says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. In the bottom, you'll have a bit of their social media things down here. You will have a guarantee at the bottom telling you what is guaranteed about the kit. Your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club, and it gives you their email address. And on the other side, it'll tell you the name of the kit, their kit number, the pasting area, which is the thumbnail of what it actually is. It's 26.6 inches by 35 inches, or better known as 70 by 89 centimeters, and it's by Hannah Lynn. The artist is by Hannah Lynn. I don't have many Hannah Lynns. I'm really not into too much cartoony stuff, but this was so beautiful, and I waited so long for it. I'm so glad I have it now. Let me move you over just a tad so you can see the whole thing. All right, look at the drill pack. Would you look at that? Let me widen you out just a little bit more. Yeah. Look at that drill pack. Whew. Shall we dig into it, see the colors, and see what the AB colors are like? Sorry, crinkle alert. Your bag for your drills always has the kit number and the name of the kit on it, so that you can, if you do not store your drills with your canvas, which you have a gorgeous box to do it in, why wouldn't you? If you do not store your drills with your canvas, then you'll always know which one they belong to. Diamond Art Clubs I keep in the box rolled up because, hey, these canvases flatten out. I mean, already, it's not curling up. You saw how easy that was. All right, now I'm going to bring you in a bit so you can see the drills. So you can see the drills up close and personal. Here we go. Well, you've got your typical 310s. Of course, there's a lot of black outlining in here. You've got your mints. 4 mints. Ooh. Teals, grays, blues. Look at the beautiful. It's like a cornflower blue. So beautiful. Winter white. And more. Let's see what else is here. Grays. More grays. Different type of mint. A little light teal. Orange. I guess that's the foxes. These are some of the blues that are in the snow. No ABs yet, but there's some gorgeous colors in here. Ooh, a little bit of a chartreuse at the end. That never hurt anybody. Yeah, I'll never get them back in here the way they came. Greens and black, more 310. Oh, a whole train of 310, guys. Whew. I don't want to count them. It'll make me sad. Okay, here's small. Oh, there's an AB. It's a winter white AB. That is number 1, and I should see that in the snow somewhere, or maybe not. Oh, it's in like the tail, the fox's tails. And some in there, and some in the eye, I think. Yeah. Okay, so there's a sparkliest one. Which is the other one now? Let's find the other AB. It's a small quantity of them. Did I pass it? No, here it is. It's a green. It's a green. So that's probably a number, that's number 2, and that is, I don't know where to tell you that is. Oh, it's in the holly. Is it? Can I see that? No, not the holly. Yeah. Well, those are the 2 colors you get. You get the white and you get a little bit of green. And basically what you try to do with the, if you want to add your own or change your own, I might see the little snowflakes. I might want to accentuate the snow falling. So and there's some of these into the trees, but you can't see it because they're mixed in with other things. I might put more white ABs in as the snow. I might put red ABs in that heart. I might put rhinestones, red rhinestones in there, in the heart to make it sparkle. I might make her eyes sparkle more. Her eyeshadow and her eyes and the fox's eyes, I would make sparkle. Yeah, maybe a little black AB on the noses to make them like shiny. To make them shiny, shiny. Yeah, that's how I would do it. Any place you want to emphasize or bring attention to, that's where you would put some ABs. All right, now let me wind you out again. Okay. So, that's Whimsical Winter by Lynn. I hope you liked it. I know I won't get it done for this Christmas, but maybe next Christmas. We shall see. All right, thanks for coming on a tour of the canvas with me. I'll see you again soon. More to come. Bye, Divas.